Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to update your WordPress version safely and easily in 2025. Let's get straight to it. Update all your plugins and themes before updating WordPress itself. This helps avoid compatibility issues. Next, take a full backup of your website. You can use plugins like Updraft Plus or your hosting provider's backup option. Go to your WordPress dashboard updates. If a new version is available, you'll see a message that says something like WordPress 6.x is available. Now click the Update Now button to update WordPress to the latest version. It may take a few seconds to complete. Once the update finishes, check your website. Make sure pages load properly, forms work, and nothing is broken. If things don't look right, clear your site and browser cache. That usually fixes it. And that's how you update your WordPress version in 2025. Simple, safe, and essential for keeping your site secure and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.